Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Nahulog agad tong 11-11 card natin dito. Four of Wands. Ooh. Yung mga twin flame energies na naman ba tayo dito? Ayan. Let's see more. Okay. The moon. Ooh. Pisces energy. Water. A lot of energies ng water, ha? Very emotional. Emotional with this Page of Swords and the Ace of Wands. Wow. Six of Pentacles, Two of Wands, the Sun, Eight of Wands. Oh, we have Leo energy. This person is watching you from afar, from a distance, coming in. May long distance situation dito. This person is planning to see you, to move in. Wow. Bottom card, Five of Swords. So, sinuko niya na to dati eh. Sinukuan na niya to dati, tong connection na to. Pero dahil na-realize niya na wala siguro siyang mahanap na mas higit sa'yo or ipapalit sa'yo, ayan, hindi niya na makita sa iba or maramdaman sa iba, yung naramdaman niya sa'yo, ayan, this person will make a move. Give up na niya to, parang hindi niya siguro ginawa ng paraan or sumuko na lang siya agad dahil nga sa long distance situation, parang inayawan ka dahil you're in a long distance with this person. Pero ngayon, this person will make a move, gagawa siya ng malaking desisyon. Magte-take siya ng risk just to be with you. Career transition by Archangel Chamuel. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. So, maaaring this person is planning to change their career path or magmi-business siguro siya malapit sa'yo, ganun. Gusto niya nang mag-change business, change career. Kasi masyadong hectic yung schedule niya, wala siyang time sa sarili niya and pati sa love life as well. And gusto niya talaga na to make this work. So, dati sumuko na siya pero talagang, ayun eh, yung value mo talaga is like this diamond. Bonfire. So, siguro nakahanap din siya dati ng a bonfire energy relationship na hindi nagtagal. Kasi nga hindi sila nag-work out, hindi sila meant to be. And we have here the camera. So, yung mga pictures mo, nakakip yan sa kanyang secret, maaaring tinago niya yan sa email. Mga pictures nyo, ganun, or pictures mo. Okay, expect communication, yan, telephone call from this person. So, we have the ring. So, talagang ready na siya to have this commitment with you. Okay? So, bottom card, playing card. So, dati parang pakiramdam mo naglaro lang siya eh. Hindi siya sigurado or undecided siya noon. Kaya siguro umiwas na rin siya. Dahil na rin sa long distance, hindi niya kaya yung long distance situation. Tingnan natin, tarot messages, oracle cards natin. Business is business. Ayun na nga. So, maaaring may pinaplano siyang business na or business proposal niya sa'yo. Idadahilan niya yon kasi parang gusto niya makalapit sa'yo. Dahilan niya to para makalapit sa'yo. Feeling left out in the cold. Maaaring ginost ka na niya before eh. Feeling betrayed kasi nga may pinili nga siyang iba. Nagkaroon siya ng relationship noon na hindi nagtagal. So, in love with you. You're my destiny kasi maaaring kayo talaga yung nakatadhana. I need to achieve my goals. You're so sweet and caring and I want you back. See? Maaaring miss opportunity yung nangyari sa inyo nitong taong ito. Nagligawan, nag-usap, talking stage pero hindi naging kayo, hindi nag-work out agad. Parang may umiwas na lang biglang, may napaso, biglang umayaw. Bottom card, I can't let you go. Oh. Para siya napaso noon eh. Kaya bigla siyang bumitaw sa'yo. Tingnan natin. Pero gusto niya nang gawa ng paraan to. Siya na yung mismo lalapit sa'yo. I know that I crossed the line with you. I bury myself in work to forget you. So, kahit ano kasing gawin niya, kalimutan ka. Wala yun. Hindi nag-work out. You came closer than anyone. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. You speak to me through music. I wish things could be different and I want you. Ito lagi niyang hinihiling eh. Sana iba yung sitwasyon, hindi kayo magkalayo. Pero ngayon, gagawin niya na ng paraan to. Kasi hindi kanya makakalimutan eh. Gawin niya eh. Kahit anong gawin niya sub-sub sa trabaho, wala. Hindi kanya makakalimutan. Bottom card, just being near you is intoxicating. Kasi inisip niya dati toxic eh. Toxic yung mga nangyayari, kaya umiwas na rin siya. Tingnan natin sa ating initials, letter J, Z, B, Q, Y, U, C, and bottom card natin, letter F. And tingnan pa natin sa blue card, commitment. So, talagang gusto niya ng commitment. Hindi lang basta commitment, higher level of commitment with you. Kaya gusto niya talagang bumuo ng family with you. And, ayan engagement talaga with a ring. Higher level of commitment talaga yung gusto mangyari na itong taong to. So, kung dati takot siguro siya sa commitment, ngayon ready na siya to settle down with you. And, tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. Kasi matagal din niya pinag-isipan to, pinagplanuhan to eh. December. Matagal na itong pinagplanuhan. Sagittarius. Birthmark. Libra. Neighbor. Maring pinagpalit ka sa neighbor. Kasi nga malayo kayo, long distance. Cold city. Present lover. Confusing. Maaaring na-confused din siya about this connection. Number 2, my beach. 5, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and July. Attractive, summer, future lover, flower, confirmation na it's a long-distance situation. September, responsible, very serious, and overthinker. Talaga nag-overthink siya para lang makapag-isip ng paraan para paano kayo magkakalapit na dalawa. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.